Here, and I just had a new Keurig delivered by Amazon. My previous Keurig died on me after several years. It was a different model. This is the most popular model that I could see online. Had over 19,000 reviews, so a lot of reviews, and it's rated pretty highly. But Amazon sent it not in the manufacturer box, but in like the brown box, and it almost looks like it was refurbished. But I'm gonna give it a test drive regardless. So it's plugged in, right? And then turn it on. It's saying, it tells me to add water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then brew my first cup of coffee. So I haven't had coffee in several days, and I realized how much I depend on coffee. It's very unfortunate. All right, so I filled up with water. There's a max line there. It's a little bit under that. It's pretty simple. You just hook it on. So the two little hooks there. And then you just put the lid. Now it's starting to heat up. Put the lid back on there. All right, so now it's heating up. And these lights should blink once it's ready. Let's see. Up. So this is a very important step. Make sure you do a test run of just water. Don't put your K-Cup in there yet. It's a matter of life and death if you do this. So if you put your K-Cup in immediately, it could be major consequences. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it on a test drive with just water. See how long this takes. So after a couple minutes, the heating turned off and it started to pour out water. So not too bad. I'm gonna try it again with the actual K-Cup after this and see how long it takes. And it has like the 6, 8, and then 10 option. All right, so I guess it's done. Not as much I would have expected, but interesting. All right, so I did the test run. It's heating up again. I'm going to actually put in K-Cup, put the donut shop, close it up, and then we're gonna do 10 ounce. See how long it takes. Oh, that was a lot quicker. Very quick. All right, so it's done. Regular size cup is always got to click that option, apparently. It does have the auto off feature, which you can leave that on. It'll turn off after 2 waters. There's a descale and add water buttons as well. But overall, not too bad. This is one of the highest rated I saw on Amazon. But like I said, I may have to return it because I think it's a refurbished version. You gotta watch sometimes with Amazon. You never know who's sending you this stuff. But at least it worked pretty well for the first time. I'm glad to have coffee back in my life because I'm really dependent on it, apparently.
Thanks for watching. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.